What's up everybody, Chef Glenn B, and I'm back in the kitchen, and today I'm working on Dungeness Crab Benedict with lemon-dill hollandaise, and I'm pairing it with a sparkling wine. If that ain't coastal, I don't know what is. Let's get right into it. The first thing I need to do is put together the hollandaise. I'm gonna start with my egg yolks, and I'm gonna add some lemon juice. I'm gonna whisk that together. I've got some melted butter and I'm gonna start drizzling it in. All right, I like the consistency on my sauce. I'm gonna remove this from the heat. To my hollandaise, I'm gonna add some dill. Got some salt, white pepper, and some lemon zest. Whisk all of that in. All right, so I'm gonna cover my sauce. I wanna keep it warm. Let's talk about the wine that I'm pairing with the Dungeness Crab Benedict and the lemon-dill hollandaise. I'm pairing it with the Rotary Estate Brut Rosé. This is a non-vintage sparkling rosé. Let's get some in this glass. All right, the obvious pairing for this dish would have been a Blanc de Blanc champagne or an unoaked Chardonnay, but what my intention was to show a little bit of versatility and also to show how you can think out of the box when it comes to these pairings. As I mentioned, this is a non-vintage Rotary Estate Sparkling Rosé. If you can't find this in your store, you can easily go to Rotary Estate's website and you can buy it straight from the website. Give this a go around here. Nice and fruity on the nose. As expected, nice vibrant acidity. I'm getting some apple, a little cranberry on the palate. Really refreshing. And as I said earlier now, I'll say it again, super inexpensive way to pair something with your food. Again, my intention is to show the versatility, show how you can think out of the box, and show how you can do something super inexpensive. This, I think, fits the bill. All right, I'm ready to put my Benedicts together. I've got a pot here and I want to get my eggs poached. All right, I've barely got a little bubble going on here. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of vinegar. So I'm gonna give my water a nice stir. I wanna create a vortex. And I've got my egg and I'm just gonna pour it right in the center. My second egg. I'm gonna let my eggs poach for about 3 minutes or so. All right, my eggs are ready. I've got this plate here with the paper towel. And I'm just gonna sit my eggs on the paper towel. They're almost perfect. All right, my Dungeness Crab Benedict with lemon-dill hollandaise is done. I'm ready to get into it. No further delay. fresh, delicious. Fantastic. See if it pairs. Oh, this has got a little sweetness to it. And I love how, in addition to that, there's lemon and dill in the hollandaise. When those two come together, there's just really, it becomes savory, super savory. Fantastic. But I gotta double check. And I'm gonna taste my potatoes and salad. Now these potatoes, I didn't show you how to make those, but I'm going to include the recipe for those. These are crispy potato medallions cooked in duck fat. That is a perfect pairing. I'm Chef Glenn Bean, as always, eat well.